What's going on, guys? How are you? And welcome back to Iconoclassic. In today's video, I'm going to be making gaskets for the thermostat housing on my 240Z. Let's do it. So what you're gonna do, you have this this is called, I don't know, the company's called Carapac. It's this like corkish cardboard feeling almost material. You just roll it out. You have your thermostat housing or whatever it is you want to seal up. You place it on the material, trace it out, and then cut it out. As easy as that. I already started. I had this one done a while ago. So I, just trace it out. I don't need to have this extra piece here. I could just cut it off, or you don't have to. I think I might actually. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. But yeah, so you have it lined up, and it fits. For 240Zs, gaskets are available to buy. It's ready, regular gasket kit. You can buy a gasket kit. This is easier in my mind because I don't have to wait for shipping. And it's cheaper too. You can make your own. Buy this for, I don't know, this is like $7 for a whole thing. You can have hundreds of gaskets out of that. Some cars though, there aren't, stuff isn't available for them. So if you have a rare vehicle, you might have to make your own gaskets. So it's just a good thing to know how to do and be in practice of. All right, let's get to it. This is the surface I am going to be tracing out right now. Last time I did this, actually, I was exhausted and my brain was so fried. I actually made one for that one. Then I was like, oh, and that's the other side. So I made one for that one. And of course, it's the same surface. So I made two of the same thing. So that was fun. But that gives me a chance to do this again. And it's all great. It's all good. So I'm gonna make this side now. Gonna set it down, trace it out, and I'll be right back. All right, that's as much as I could reach around because like ports and whatever stuff sticking out. So now just use your artistic abilities to fill those lines in. So just go whatever. There we go. Yeah, just fill that in. All right, it's not straight. I don't care. Who cares? I don't care. Boom. There we go. Now I got. Is that right? Looks about right. So now, you might think, let's cut it out now, but no, don't cut it out yet. Because why? Because you gotta cut out the whole thing in the middle first. It'll make it easier. Just trust me. It's easier to cut it out when it's all still on this thing. You can have something to hold on to. You gotta cut out the holes for the bolts and the hole for the actual fluid to go through. Gonna get on that right now. Okay, this one I actually eyeballed. That one I stuck the pen through the hole for the bolt. That one I couldn't. It's too long. It's too deep. Couldn't reach. So I just eyeballed this and this. We'll see how it turns out. I'm feeling lucky tonight. I got this cool metal punch because that we happen to have. It's obviously way overkill for this, but I used it to punch holes in this. Okay, here I got my gasket. You hold it up, you measure it, you hold it up to it when it's on the thing, and then you trim here and trim there. You don't want to get all the edges cleaned up. That's pretty good. You don't want any that's whatever. I don't care. It's good enough. Here's some dangly spickies gonna want to clean up. Just clean up the edges, make them more smooth. Not any, little hairs or random pieces hanging off that might break free and then just kind of flow through your coolant system. You want to just make sure it's a clean cut edges. And yeah. Let's see, let's line it up, see how it looks. Moment of truth. Looks like it'll work. Right on. It's not the prettiest thing, but it's fine. It works. It's functional. When you're cutting, don't have your thumb sticking out and you're cutting towards your thumb because your knife could slip. Guys, please try to practice knife safety. I mean, don't try, just do it. Do or do not. There is no try. Knives slip, especially if you're using a dull knife. So don't use dull knives either. It's also knife safety. It's like not good. Don't never cut towards yourself. So yeah, just be cognizant of that, because you can be like trying to cut weird angles. Don't have your hand behind the blade. Hold it like this if you have to, and like cut underneath, if that makes sense. Don't die, guys. Please don't die. Got this like that. That looks good. I may do some more trimming, but got that one done. Got this one done. Got my gaskets. Ka-choo, ka-choo, thermostat. So the next step, stay tuned for, is I'm gonna put this together without the thermostat and just make sure my whole water system holds water. Install this. Ka-chow, 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 ka-chow. I'm done. I'm out. See ya. I want to thank my cats for allowing me to use their food and sink area to do my project in. So thank you very much. It was much appreciated. I'm out.